Hello artists and creators, check out the AROIC 10-pack painting display easel stand. Perfect for all your painting and display needs. These adjustable metal tripod easels range from 20 to 66 inches, making them ideal for both tabletop and floor use. Each easel features a spring clip on top to securely hold canvases of various sizes, ensuring stability during your creative process. Made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, these easels are easy to install, disassemble, and transport with included storage bags. The rubber anti-slip feet provide excellent grip on uneven surfaces, perfect for outdoor painting. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, these easels adapt to your height and canvas size effortlessly. Enjoy a sturdy, versatile setup that enhances your artistic experience every time you create. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.